Hello, beta. Uh, Now in the P block element, the topic which is left here, that is a 17 group element, and these are called as a halogen family. Beta, this topic for the halogen family, just I want to discuss in MSET point of view, in NEET point of view, even for the IIT mains point of view. Instead of doing all, means the topic which I am going to discuss, beta, it is a completely synopsis or the important points we have taken from the NCRT and some exceptional point from the NCRT also I have taken. For example, the first one in that one about the halogen family, what they will ask, what are the elements included on that one? So you should say fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. These are the element. And if you want to see their general electronic configuration better, so this group element will have general electronic configuration is Ns2np5. That means how many electrons are there in the valence shell beta? 5 plus 2, 7 electron is there. 7 electrons are there in their valence shell. Right beta? So these are the 7 electron present in their valence shell. So we'll talk about the properties as well as we'll talk about the general properties which we are going to see in this group element. What does mean by general properties and all? Let me show you one example here beta. Here in our NCRT may anyone on this point beta they are not going to ask any question on your IIT mains or in the NEET or even in the MSET. What they will ask, exceptional cases they can ask you. The first point, what I want to discuss in this one, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. And if I'll ask you which is the most electronegative element, everybody knows that. So they can ask about the order of electronegativity. Fluorine is more electronegative than Cl, than Br, than I. What is this? It is the order of electronegativity. So fluorine is the most electronegative element of 7th A. Pakka. Now they will ask among that one which is the most electron affinity. So everybody knows that Cl is having a more affinity value than F. Check beta. Cl will have a more affinity value than F, and F will have the more affinity value than that of Br and than that of I. So it is the order of electron affinity and it is the order of electronegativity. Is it clear beta? Chalo, this is the second point. Means in this halogen family, they can ask you general electronic configuration Ns to Np5. They can ask you order of electronegativity. Fluorine is most electronegative than Cl. They can ask you most electron affinity. Cl is most electron affinity than F. This is the only exceptions point to remember. Is it clear beta? Then we'll go with the color. They can ask about the order of the colors of this group element. Ha beta. Fluorine, what is the color of fluorine gas? Sir, light yellow color. F2, what is the color? Sir, it should be the light yellow in color. Sir, what about the chlorine? Greenish yellow according to NCRT. Cl2, sir, it is the greenish yellow color. Right, beta. Fluorine, chlorine, then come for the bromine, then come for the iodine. You know, this fluorine, F2 is a light yellow, Cl2, it is a greenish yellow, Br2, beta, it is a reddish brown. It is a reddish brown. And iodine, this one is a deep violet color. So first one, electronegativity, then affinity, then they can ask something about the color of this group element. Now, most important one, 1, 2, 3 over, beta they can ask about the bond dissociation energy. Sir, as we know, generally beta, generally as we are coming down the group, atomic size increases. Fluorine, fluorine, chlorine, chlorine, bromine, bromine, iodine, iodine. That means as the size increases, bond length increases, bond energy decreases. Obviously, we can say bond dissociation energy decreases down the group that we know. But exceptional, sir. Cl2 will have a greater bond dissociation energy. Than whom? Br2. Than whom? F2. And least one is I2. Sir, this is a complete exceptions was there. Means see beta, F2 will have a lowest bond energy than chlorine and bromine. But a reason if you want to know, you can see here. Due to smallest size of fluorine atom, the lone pair present over the fluorine will repel with each other. See beta, these are the lone pair present on fluorine. They will repel with each other. they will repel with each other. As lone pair repulsion, the atom want to go away. As both the atom will go away, we can break the bond easily. As we are able to break the bond easily, what you can say, F2 will have a lowest bond dissociation energy than whom, beta? Cl2 and that of Br2. Is it clear? Check with the bond length, beta. Check with the bond length. Sir, what is the bond length order? Just now we saw, as we are coming down the group, what size of the atom increases, bond length increases, no exceptional, as it is. F2, then Cl2, then Br2, then I2. It is the order of bond length of 7th A group element. Is it clear? See, beta, once again, I'll tell you what is the important point I discussed with you. General electronic configuration, electronegativity, electron affinity, color of the 7th A group element. Then 4, fifth one, bond dissociation energy, and then sixth one is the bond length. One more is there, beta, oxidizing power. In every exam, either it is IIT mains or MSET or it is a NEET, this question was there. What is the order of oxidizing power of the 7th A group element? Sir, what is the order of oxidizing power of this 7th group element? But I will tell you, oxidizing power, which has a tendency to undergo reduction easily, will have a greater oxidizing power. That means fluorine will be more than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. Right, beta? It can undergo reduction easily. That means it will act as a strong oxidizing agent. So oxidizing power decreases, bond length increases, bond dissociation energy, exceptional case. Got the point? Please take a screenshot, beta. Clear, beta? Any doubt? Now, so after this one, the remaining property of this 17 group element is chemical property. But before that, we'll see the order of hydration also. Beta. Sir, order of hydration. You know, smaller the size of the ion, greater the hydration energy. So we can say order of hydration means fluoride will have a greater hydration than Cl, than bromide, than iodide. It is the order of hydration. So these all are the point which one I have taken, beta. It is only from NCERT. So once you can check this one and once you read the NCERT, it is more than enough to learn in your exam point of view. No need to read all and all, everything, but nothing is there. These are the things to remember. So we see the chemical properties. And now in these chemical properties, the first one I want to discuss with you, that is reaction of these halogens with a oxygen. How about in NCERT, you can check it. The first point they have given, reaction of this halogen with the water. So I will do the first point, sir. Reaction of these halogens with a water molecule. First one, right? So take a fluorine, chlorine, and bromine, better. First one is fluorine, then you take chlorine, and then you take bromine. And see the order of reactivity of these halogens towards water and what they can form here. I'll tell you better. Fluorine on reacting with a water has a tendency to liberate oxygen gas and it has a tendency to form its fluoride HF. O2 gas was liberated. But the same way, chlorine on reacting with the water has a tendency to form its halide HCl. But instead of liberating O2 gas, sir, it will form HOCl called as a hypochlorous acid. Remember, beta, hypochlorous acid is a unstable compound. This hypochlorous acid in itself, it will decompose and has a tendency to provide oxygen called as a nascent oxygen. But which has a tendency to provide nascent oxygen, that means it will act as a what, as it is providing oxidation means it has a tendency to provide nascent oxygen, that means it helps to other to undergo oxidation. How? We'll see the example of that one. Second one beta, is the hypochlorous acid. These are the additional part I have given for this one. Beta, bromine on reacting with the water. Yes, sir. It also has a tendency to form its halide and it will form HOBr, hypobromous acid. One is forming a hypochlorous acid and other one is forming a hypobro B hypobromous MOUS hypobromous acid. Right? Take a screenshot bit up to here. Clear beta? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Right? Reacting with the water to form its halide, its halide, its halide. They both can form hypohalous acid, but fluorine can form or it will liberate what? Oxygen gas. It is the reaction with water. Second important property beta in the chemical property we have to see acidic strength in aqueous solution. Now you can see beta HF, HCl, HBr. HF means with water ka tha beta aqueous solution. HCl with water aqueous solution. Beta HBr with water aqueous solution. So what you have to check now? Acidic strength of these halide in aqueous solution. Acidic strength of these halides in aqueous solution. HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Do you know? Sir, HI is more acidic than HBr. HBr is more acidic than HCl. HCl is more acidic than HF. Do you know? Beta HI में bond length is more. HF में bond length is less. Greater the bond length, easy to break, easy to provide H plus ion. Smaller the bond length, stronger the bond energy. Greater the bond energy, less the tendency to break the bond. But a less the tendency to break the bond, less the tendency to give H plus ion. Compound which has a more tendency to give H plus ion is a stronger acid. HI, greater the bond length, easy to liberate the H plus ion. So I should say due to due to greater greater bond length bond length it easily liberate H plus ion which makes it more acidic. See beta, this is a greater acidic in nature than the HF. It is order of this acidic nature of this halide in aqueous solution. But I will tell you one change is there. HF and HCl में HF is having more acidic in nature than HCl. हाँ बेटा, HF is having more acidic in nature than HCl. But among HI and HBr में HI is having more acidic in nature than HBr. But if you see HCl and HBr में HBr is having more acidic in nature. See beta, the changes will be how. HF is more acidic than HCl. HCl more acidic than HBr. Check it here. HCl and HBr में HBr is more acidic than HCl. HI and HBr में HI is more acidic. See beta, exceptionals are coming here. Exceptionals are coming here. And just this exceptional, if you remember, it is more than enough to understand. Among all, which is the most acidic Buddha? HI is the most acidic. Greater the bond length, less the bond energy, easy to break the bond, tendency to give H plus ion is more, yes, more acidic in nature. Is it clear, beta? So this is the exceptional case to remember. Beta, next one we'll see about reducing character of the hydride. Sir, reducing character of these halide. But you know, hydrogen atom directly attached to the central atom. And if you remove that hydrogen from central, that shows reducing character. Now you can see HF, HCl, HBr and HI. See beta, this is a hydrogen atom directly attached to the central atom iodine, and we can remove this hydrogen easily. So greater reducing in nature, that one. No exceptionals are here. Only exceptional cases can be seen in the acidic strength of these halide in their aqueous solution. Got the point? Only exceptionals here. But here no exceptional. As we are coming down the group, bond length increases, tendency to break the bond energy less, easily to break the bond, and it has a more tendency to liberate hydrogen from the central atom, as it has a more tendency to give the H plus ion, has a greater reducing character than that of HF, increases down the group, right? Then next one, after this one we'll see one more is there beta, boiling point key order and thermal stability. Take a screenshot up to here. Very good beta. Right. After reducing character, we'll see beta boiling point key order. Order of boiling point of the hydride of seventh group element HF, HCl, HBr, HI, HF, HI, HBr, and HCl. Do you know? Actually, HF should come here, beta. You know, boiling point ka one concept is here. Maybe you remember or not, I don't know. But I will tell you. Greater the molar mass, greater the boiling point. Sir, greater the van der Waals force of attraction, greater the boiling point. So greater the polarity, greater the boiling point. But HF, HCl, HBr, HI will have greater molar mass. It must have a higher boiling point. But did you saw? Exceptionally, HF will have higher boiling point than all. And reason is, sir, due to tendency, due to tendency to form, due to tendency to form hydrogen bond, HF will have a higher boiling point than the remaining halide. Is clear? Then thermal stability of this one. Thermal stability, but a very simple. What is that? HF, HCl, HBr, and HI. Greater the force of attraction, greater the thermal stability. Do you know? HF में polarity is more, because more electronegative, greater the partial negative charge and greater the partial positive charge here. So more the attraction, stronger the force of attraction, thermally more stable. HF, HF thermally more stable than that of HCl, than that of HBr, than that of HI. So which is thermally more stable, sir? HF is thermally more stable than HCl, than HBr, and than that of HI. Take a bit of screenshot up to here. Over. Very good. So these are the some important properties, general properties, chemical properties of the 17 group element. Again, some more are there, beta. The most which is given in the NCERT. I want to cover everything from the NCERT, but in this synopsis way or in this point of view, that means at least you can remember this one. But one more point is that will be called as an oxidizing power. One more point will be there, that will be called as an what? But oxidizing power. In this oxidizing power, as the number of covalent bond increases, beta covalent character increase. Remember, as the number of covalent bond increases, that means the covalent bond will increase, but a covalent nature will increase. As the number of covalent bond increases, as the number of covalent bond increases, covalent nature increases. Greater the number of covalent bond, greater the covalent character. Now, fluorine, but a fluorine and chlorine, if you want to see, Which has a more tendency to accept the electron? Fluorine, because of high electronegativity. But chlorine, because of high affinity, it also has a tendency to accept the electron. That means which one must act as a strong oxidizing agent, beta? Instead of chlorine, we can say F2. So we can say again one more point is that beta F2, fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent, even though chlorine has Cl2 has greater electron affinity value. But we know greater the electron affinity value, more the tendency to take the electron. But more the tendency to take the electron can undergo oxidation easy, can undergo reduction easily. As it can undergo reduction easily, should act as a strong oxidizing agent. But in this case, it is not like that. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent, even though the Cl2 will have a greatest affinity value. Reason? Because of a what you can say smaller size has a more tendency to attract the electron, and more the tendency to attract the electron easily can undergo reduction than the Cl2. So these are the 2 points to remember, beta. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent, even though Cl2 has greater affinity value. As the number of covalent bond increases, our covalent nature of the compound also increases, right? Next one is chemical reactivity. Mein beta, we'll see the reactivity of these halogens towards the metal as well as towards the non-metal. That point we'll see. Chalo, take a screenshot up to here. But the next one now, the chemical reactivity of the halogens, I will tell you. You know, halogens are highly reactive elements, right? They can react with the non-metal as well as with the one more point we can say. But the reactivity of the halogens, the order of reactivity of halogen is order of reactivity of halogen is fluorine is more reactive than Cl2, than that of Br2, than that of I2. You know, reaction of fluorine with the metal and non-metal make explosive reaction. Then Cl2 less, Br2 and iodine is very less. That is about the reactivity of halogens with the metal as well as with the non-metal. Okay, chalo up to here take beta.